So what I'm going to show now is the kidney dissection for the organ dissection. Kidney dissection is a pretty simple one. We want to, again, make a laptop-like cut into the kidney to open it up so that we can see the inside. There's really only two parts. We're not going to get into a whole lot of detail. We just want to identify the medulla and the cortex. So I'm going to, first off, want to get the kidney loose so it's not very difficult to maneuver around. I want to be able to pick it up a little bit. So I'm going to loosen it. Then I'm going to take my scalpel and I'm going to make a laptop cut from one side to the other, but I don't want to go all the way through. I don't want to cut it in half. I just want to cut it so that it hinges open. I'm going to take my scalpel, flip the kidney onto one side here, start my cut. I want to test to see if I'm deep enough, and yes, I am. So if I now flip this open, I can identify the different spots. So let me just point those out to you. Okay, so we notice there's a color difference, which makes it easy to identify. So this gray material on the outside, running all the way around the outside, okay, that's the cortex. So all this gray is the cortex. The white on the inside is the medulla. So we got cortex on the outside, medulla on the inside.